Now shifting our focus to the story that was broken first on NDTV viewers, Union Agriculture Minister slamming Air India and asking why the condition of Air India flights is pathetic currently. This is the reaction that has come from Union Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Remember, the Agriculture Minister was flying from Bhopal to Delhi when he was allotted a broken seat. That's his word. From Bhopal to Delhi, he was allotted a broken seat on the Air India flight, after which the minister took to social media platform X and shared his experience. In a post on social media platform X, Minister alleged that when he asked the airline staff why the seat allotted to him was broken, they told the airline staff, the Air India airline staff viewers told the minister that the management had been informed earlier that the seat was not in good condition and the ticket should not be sold. Despite that request from the Air India staff, the seat was allocated and none other than it was allotted to the Union Minister. Now, after which the Union Minister has slammed Air India and the experience that he had on the Bhopal to Delhi, which is approximately, viewers, 1.5 hour flight from Bhopal to Delhi. On that flight, he completed his journey for 1.5 hours. He sat on the same broken seat and completed his travel. Now, after this, the airline has issued an apology to the minister for the inconvenience that was caused to the Union Agriculture Minister. But the question remains about what about other passengers. My colleague Ishika is joining me for more on this. Ishika, take us through the key highlights that were made by Union Agriculture Minister on his experience. We'll try and reconnect with our colleague Ishika, who has been tracking this story. Ishika, if you can hear me, take us through the experience that the Union Agriculture Minister had during that flight from Bhopal to Delhi.
Well, in fact, as you rightly mentioned, we just saw how the Union Minister, Shivraj Singh Chauhan, he has in fact slammed the Air India for the passenger inconvenience. In fact, today he has narrated his own story in a detailed tweet, and he has said that he had booked the ticket on the Air India flight and he was allotted a seat number, and when he went and sat on that seat, the seat was broken and it was sunken in. He says in his tweet that it was very uncomfortable to sit. Then he had also asked the airline staff as to why was the seat allotted to him if the condition of the seat was so bad, after which the response that he got from the staff was that the management had already been informed about the seat, that the seat was not good and the ticket for it should not be sold. Thereafter, he has now questioned the Air India management. Shivraj Singh Chauhan, the Union Minister, has said that will the Air India management take steps to ensure that no passenger faces such inconvenience in the future, or will it continue to take advantage of the passengers' compulsion to reach their destination?
ये कृषि मेला जितने हमारे शोध और अनुसंधान होते हैं खेती के क्षेत्र में, उनको किसानों तक पहुंचाने का बड़ा प्रभावी काम करता है। और अभी 3 दिन
Now, the Union Minister is also sharing his experience on social media platform X. Remember, this was the flight that was taken by the Union Minister. He goes on to call out Air India and said, isn't this cheating the passengers? Remember, he highlights that the Air India staff had informed the airlines to not allot that particular seat that was given to him, the 8C seat on the flight number AI436. This was Bhopal to Delhi flight that he had taken, and after which the seat was again allotted to none other than but Union Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan. We are still waiting for a formal response. We have written to Air India and we are waiting for a formal response from the airlines. Why is this happening? Why seats are in this condition on Air India flight? Union Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan has slammed Air India for allotting him a broken seat on a flight from Bhopal to Delhi. In a post, he mentions that when he asked the airline staff why the seat allotted to him was broken, the Air India staff said the management had been informed earlier that the seat was not in a good condition and its ticket should not be sold. Despite that, viewers, the seat was sold and sold to Union Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan. The airline has apologized for the inconvenience caused to the minister, but he goes on to share his experience that I had booked a ticket on Air India flight number AI436. I was allotted seat number 8C. I went and sat on the seat. The seat was broken and I sunk into it. It was uncomfortable to sit. There was not just one such seat but many more. Mr. Singh had further said, my co-passengers requested me to change my seat and sit on a better seat. But why should I trouble another friend for my sake? I decided that I would complete my journey by sitting on the same seat. For 1.5 hours, viewers, the Union Minister sat on that broken seat that he says was allotted to him despite the Air India management being informed about the condition of the seat. He also said that he doesn't care about discomfort in sitting, but it was unethical to make passengers sit on bad and uncomfortable seats after charging them the full amount. He's questioning the technicality over here, why the seat was allotted. He's also questioning the ethics and the promise that Air India makes of the comfort to the passengers. He's highlighting the drawbacks of the Air India flight, but despite that, we are still waiting for Air India's response.